Hi guys.
Hello. So today we are finishing Jackie's WRX, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're putting in the windshield wipers and the bumper and fog lights and headlights.
Probably not gonna do the fog lights.
Just kidding.
Definitely gonna do the headlights. She has inspection on Thursday. So this will be like a week, maybe 2 weeks behind. So anyways, like on the 20 something of February, she has the inspection to get the car registered and legal. And then it'll have a restored title, which will be awesome. And it'll be able to go to Mexico to get painted. I have a guy that I work with, his dad paints cars in Mexico. So this car's gonna go to Mexico, get painted, come back, and then it'll be finished for reals, Besides little things. She wants to do some stuff inside and this and that. So we still have interior videos, but today it's all about trying to pass inspection. So I already put this light in. We need to find another lens. I know there's 2 more somewhere. One for this side. We got to get the headlights in, the bumpers in, wipers, and then we got to do a whole light check, make sure all the lights are good, and then we're done. It's really not a whole lot to do today to get it ready.
Sweet.
So you want to go get some headlights?
Yeah.
All right, so here's our headlights. We got these from Ryan, who got them from us. They came off this car, and then they went to Ryan, and then we got them back from Ryan. That's also where the fenders came from, the bumper. So thank Ryan down in the comments for Jackie. But yeah, so these are pretty simple. They have a couple of bolt holes here, and then one here, and they have a snap. So I'm gonna show Jack how to do this. Plug it in. Okay, that's in, it looks like. Plug this one in. It's in, and then it's gonna go under that, but into this hole down here. And there you go, and then we just gotta get bolts. Of course, that clip is no good, it looks like. That's okay.
Are the bolts over
The
there?
bolts will hold it. Yeah, go try to find a bolt. We'll need to straighten that out. These do not line up at all.
These are the only 2 in the little cup.
Okay, there's more cups. There's another cup right there.
What one do I need? Do I need this one?
No, that's to different. That's not to this. Do a great job on this. Let me see one of those bolts.
Just kidding. Nothing. Sweet.
All right.
So we're putting this bumper on and just taking the fog light out of the other one?
Yeah, the other one's all jacked up.
Okay.
So, it's on there. Pick it up. Put it on.
What am I putting it up to?
Jack,
What?
stop it. It matches the headlight right here, okay? There's a little hook it goes on. Pay attention. Don't just shove stuff in place. Look and try to figure out how it will fit.
Is there supposed to be a gap there?
I don't know where there is. I'm over here.
Okay.
Can one of you guys come hold this bumper? You on?
Okay.
You almost there, huh? See you later.
That side's all clicked in.
Pretty much, yeah.
They may be able to like work that fender a little bit. Get it to come out some.
Okay.
But no, that's pretty good. So headlights are on. Go ahead and get in the car. Turn the key on.
Yay.
Put them up your butt. Warm them up.
The camera going.
Roll the window down.
Do I have to put the clutch in? To start it?
No, just roll the window down. All we're gonna do is check for headlights.
You don't want me to like actually start it, so you just want me to turn it on.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, turn the headlights on. Do you know how to?
No.
Do you know how to turn the headlights on?
Oh, I do know how to turn the lights on. Just kidding.
Okay, so that's on, that's on. That's on, that's on. Hit the blinker. Okay, to the other side. Okay, let me look at the back. Okay. Okay. So, lights on? Nothing came on?
Yep.
So all the lights work except for this brake light. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Hopefully it takes a standard bulb. We'll put that in there and problem will be solved. So you're gonna need a little impact gun, 2 10s. Get after it, it'll get it.
Is it the right one? Is the right... No, just kidding. Okay. Thanks.
Ooh, don't lose it. Put them in there on your headliner. Okay, so these have clips over here usually. And so you gotta pull it out. I don't know if WRXs are that way or what. Doesn't look like there's anything to get to over there. So, but I don't know. Come on, you fuck. These are always sketchy. Here, let me get something. Come on. Fuck. Nice, broke one. Let's go out. Supposed to go out. All right, get in, Jack. Nope, this does not fit. Nope, doesn't fit. So we need one of these. So hold on to that.
Are you gonna go to AutoZone?
Yeah. What's in there?
Windshield wipers.
All right, get them out. I don't know how these go in, so this is going to be a learning thing for us. We have to figure it out. Be careful, because the bolts are in there. We need all the bolts. That's a very small mechanism. That's quite impressive. Most of them usually run all the way across the car. This one just goes right here. Very small.
Windshield wipers.
That goes there, yes. And this goes down in yonder somehow.
I found a thing.
Okay. How is this going? Like that. There we go. You got the bolts. Okay, hold on. That's not the right nut yet. Is there any more stuff in here? Should be another nut or two in here. Okay, start undoing all these. Where's the impact gun? Go grab it.
I flipped it for you.
Okay, so we just need a nut there, which is fine. Find the plastic piece that goes over the top of this. No, the plastic piece that goes over the top of this. Goes across the whole thing. Nope. Oh, it's right here. I knew we put it somewhere. Okay. Oh, look, the other nut's on here. So we just had the wipers on, but the motors were up and the wipers were down. So Jackie's gonna cycle them, and then we'll put these on.
What?
So because I broke Jackie's car, let me restart. So because I broke Jackie's car, I have to fix Jackie's car. The tail light kind of comes out weird on this. It comes out sideways, not straight like most cars. So I broke one of the tabs off. So this is just some JB Weld plastic garbage. We're just gonna put it on there. Hopefully it does a good job gluing this back together. Why don't you talk to Jack about her car, see what she thinks. It's coming together. It's basically done.
Yes. Yeah, it's almost done. I need a grill and a crash cage
Bar.
bar. And then fog lights. I think that's it. But I'm really excited because it's almost done, and I can go get it painted, and it won't be
What color?
yellow, Sonic yellow. But then I want like a pink pinstripe to match my hoses. Make it cute. Yeah. Yeah. Very excited.
All right, well, I think that's it. Wipers are on, they work. Taillights are good. Carissa went and picked up a bulb, so we got a bulb for the rear light, so that'll fix that problem.
Any other one of these things.
But yeah, I think we're done. I think the next time you guys see it, it will be either going to paint or it'll be back from paint. I don't know. But yeah, that's it, right?
I think so.
Have Mom order some stuff?
Yeah. We need to strip the paint off my lights.
Yep. Levi painted her lights, so we have to, that corner light right there, she's covering it up.
Sorry.
But here's the lens. It's nice and black. It goes on there. Yeah, Levi gave us a nice paint job on that thing.
Mm-hmm.
So strip that, and then it's good to go. A little bit of paint on the window. We gotta get that off. Other than that, car's ready for paint. So,
Yay.
to everybody, bye.
Bye.
See you guys later.